So I need to build a roost for my new coop. So I found this 1x outside. I'm drying it off right now. And I'm gonna carve it. I'm gonna carve it up and make it all nice and smooth for them. And then we'll install it. It'll look real nice. So let's get to it. So I'm still waiting for it to dry. It's getting there. Just got these bigger spots here. But yeah, this will be a nice little roost for them. Are you impatient? Are you impatient? Impatient puppy? Okay, now that I got it all dried off, it looks good now. I'm gonna shave the edges off. We'll make a real nice smooth roost for them and then we'll go install it. So let's do it. Got my knife. I'm just gonna shave off the edges here. That. And this will make it, it'll give it a more realistic feel on their feet, like a tree branch. Oh yeah, we got a nice piece right here coming right off. Okay, so after carving for like a half hour, I got a nice smooth edged roost. So we're gonna go install that right now. I just gotta measure and cut it and we'll put it in there. We'll see if they like it. It's really windy out here, but we got our roost. We're gonna install it for our little babies here. We just gotta get in there. All right, here I come, girls. Where should we put this? Maybe we'll put it like right here. Oh, seems a little big. Might not even need to screw it in. Don't want to make it too high because they're still young. It's okay, girls. There. That looks about level. Let's check that out. Does that look level? I think it does. Alright, let's put a couple screws in there. We'll put the water back and we'll get out of their way. There you go. Okay. Alright, we'll get out of here. And we'll let them discover their roost. Yeah, I think that's the perfect height. Alright, we'll check back in a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go check on the girls and see if they're using their roost. Hi. You guys like your roost? Come on. I'm sure they'll jump on it once I'm not around. Well, they'll eventually use it. they're still curious. So I got some golden laced Wyandottes, some white leghorns in here, a couple Americanas, and the black artilope. Oh. What's up, babies? Why are you freaking out? Well, I couldn't get them to use it in my presence, but I'm sure they're gonna love it. So, Homestead Weekly, please subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.